Never, ever pay your credit card on its due date. Okay, I'm kidding. You can pay your credit card on its due date, but if at all possible, pay it on the statement date, or actually pay it about 3 days before the statement date so that it has time to post to your account. And here's why. Well, first, let me say, if you don't see your statement date listed on your credit card bill, call your credit card company and ask them what your statement date is so that you can make sure you're paying your credit card bill a few days in advance of the statement date so that you give it time, like I mentioned, to post to your credit card. And here's why. The balance that you have reporting by your credit card statement date is the balance that's going to get reported to the credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. And that's going to include whatever your credit utilization is on that card at that point on your statement date. So what is credit utilization? It is the amount of credit that you have used, your balance, divided by whatever the credit card's limit is. So say you have a credit card limit of $10,000, but you have a balance of $8,000, meaning you have spent $8,000 on this credit card out of $10,000 total credit limit. You divide the $8,000 amount used, the balance, by that $10,000 limit, and that's going to equal 80% utilization. So you have 80% credit utilization on this credit card. Your goal is to get the utilization to at least 30%. Under 10% utilization is even better. So to get this card down to 30% utilization, you would have to have a balance remaining of $3,000 out of the $10,000 overall available credit limit. And then to get the card down to 10% utilization, that means you would have a $1,000 balance on this same credit card that has a overall credit limit of $10,000. So just imagine if you could get your credit cards paid down to 30% utilization or even 10% or less utilization, you are going to see a huge boost to your credit scores because, again, utilization makes up 35% of your overall credit score. That's no small chunk of change. So to learn more about your credit, just continue to follow me. So imagine if you can get those credit cards paid down, even if you have to do it one at a time, to 30% utilization and then ideally down to 10% utilization or even less. Your credit will thank you.